Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Park the car on level ground and engage the parking brake. Turn off the ignition and remove the key from the switch. Work in daylight or use a bright work light to see details clearly. Disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10 mm wrench to prevent shorts. Allow the headlight area to cool if it was recently used. Wear gloves and safety glasses to protect hands and eyes from sharp plastic and broken glass. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly behind the headlamp. Remove the plastic trim clips at the top of the bumper to access mounting points. Remove the trim screws and the three 10 mm bolts holding the assembly in place. Support the assembly with one hand and gently pull it forward about 3–5 inches. Carefully pull the assembly forward and disconnect the bulb wiring harness from the back of the headlight. Set the old assembly aside on a soft surface. Handle the new H11 bulb by the plastic base and avoid touching the glass. Insert the new H11 bulb by aligning tabs and securing the bulb twist lock firmly. Reattach the rubber dust boot if your assembly has one to seal against moisture. Reconnect the wiring harness to the bulb until you hear a click. Seat the assembly back into the bumper and reinstall the three 10 mm bolts and trim screws. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the headlight by switching on the low beam to confirm operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.